Welcome, everyone. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind one of the most commonly seen lines in C programming, #include stdio.h /. It might seem like just a line of code, but its role is fundamental to your C programs. Let's dive in. The line #include stdio.h is a preprocessor directive in C. It tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, often referred to as stdio.h, in our program. The stdio.h library is crucial because it provides functions that allow us to interact with the input and output streams. These functions are the building blocks for basic input and output operations in C. Without stdio.h, we wouldn't have access to fundamental functions like printf and scanf. These functions are responsible for printing output to the console and taking input from the user. Stdio.h offers an array of functions beyond printf and scanf. For example, gets, puck, gec, and many more. These functions empower us to handle various I/O tasks efficiently. When we use #include stdio.h, we're essentially telling the compiler to link our program with the standard input-output library. This linkage allows our code to utilize the functions provided by stdio.h. One common mistake is forgetting to include #include stdio.h, leading to compilation errors. While there are ways to bypass this, it's considered a good practice to include the necessary libraries explicitly. In summary, #include \stdio.h / is more than just a line of code, it's a gateway to the powerful functions of the standard input-output library in C. Including it at the beginning of your programs is a standard practice that opens up a world of possibilities for handling input and output efficiently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!